Yes, that dream has come true. I promised you that I will take you direct to SGR of Tanzania, whereby we can travel together from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. So this is the day. So this is the Dar es Salaam terminal in the postal area. So we are going to board the SGR. So this is the main gate, of which in front of us is that SGR train. So we're going to move about from here, this point of Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. We are expecting to use 1 hour and 40 minutes. So right now it's still about half an hour before we board this train. But as soon as we are going to board the train, I'll start to observe the time to see how much time do we spend. If it's really 1.45 minutes, hours from this point to Morogoro. Anyway, so stay tuned. Thanks for your collaboration, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Just subscribe. I'll be bringing you some more news about lifestyle, about traveling and tour. But this is the journey we are going to make together from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. Yeah, so this is the boarding place. People are boarding their respective coaches, and mine is number 9, but this is number 8, and I'm not going to board now number 9 because I want to take you throughout the coaches so you see everything, and then later on I'll come to board my coach. But I want to tell you that I purposely took a ordinary class, that is class B, which is for everyone, and it cost about 13,000 shillings of Tanzania, which is equivalent to almost 500 Kenyan shillings, or 600. It looks like 600, yes. So 13,000. So if I wanted to take the first class, I would have to pay 21 Tanzanian shillings, 21,000. But I'm opting to take this cheap one. I want to see the difference. Then, if there's any necessity, when I'll be going back to Dar es Salaam, I'll take the first class, of which I'll show you also the difference. But right now, I believe there's no any significant difference between first and second class, except that the first class, the seating setup is 2-2, while in the third class, the seating plan is 3-2, of which there's more space in grade 1 than in grade 2. But generally, the advantages are not seen, because whether you're in first class or second class, you'll never enjoy anything except the special seats that you are going to have. But nevertheless, there's no any difference, I tell you. So I will stay in the second class. So let us go and board together this electric train from Tanzania, which is through the SGR from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro, about 400 kilometers, of which I'm going to cover them in 1 hour and 47 minutes according to their schedule. So I'll take you to see first all of the coaches outwards. After this, then I'll take you inside, where you see the components, the luxurious service that you can get in board. So right now, in front of us is the head of the train. I will not reach up there, but you can see the head. If you don't know how the head of the electric train looks like, don't bother. Check my other videos. I've shown you in details how is the head of the electric train. The rest, we are going back and we report our coach. So thank you for watching. Right now, here is the center, Dar es Salaam. Yeah. So this lady is one of responsible, who is responsible towards our coach. So let us see rapidly how things are. Then you will enter and I'll take you see the toilets, you see how they organize themselves. I'll show you many things, I promise you. So join me, I'm Eladu Simbayela, from Tanzania. Now I'm in Dar es Salaam, in a place called the Posta area in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Being faithful to our channel, I ask you to subscribe so that you don't miss an episode. So this is our friend Margaret, who is responsible to our coach number 9. So now let us get in. So this is the place of baggage. You put your baggage here, you arrange them. If you put a bigger baggage that you can stay, cannot enter into the areas, the carriers. And this also is the place where they put water for drinking. You see, a fountain push, then you drink fountain information. So you can drink from this font. The water is very nice. I can't risk. And then, so we continue. So this is the place where the attendant stays if the coaches are full, and these are the coaches. So today we will go through all the coaches. I've been telling you from other people's experience, but today it's my turn. So this is the emergency route or exit, you can see, and this is the Wi-Fi box and some instructions. And now we are moving through the coaches. This is the place where you put your luggages on, and then we are going to see all the coaches. So stay tuned and watch my videos as we move about. I'll take you to the toilet also. I want you to see how the toilet looks like. Or if you don't see, just remember I showed you live from my previous video. So go to the section of live and you'll see the toilets as I showed them when I was broadcasting live from this train. So now we are moving on. Yeah, and this was the last coach. From here you find this head that leads the whole of the train together. And I saw the two captains. I don't know if they are the major that are conducting our train. I'm not sure, but the train is in high speed, and those I see them looks like they are just young boys. I don't know if they are even 25, but it looks they are very young, and they're in the machine cabin. So I was happy to see them there. In fact, I changed an eye with them. So you can see this is the head of the train, and I can see those two boys there. I wonder if you can see them, but because of the dirtiness it's hard to see, but I see them in my naked eyes. Yeah, this was very interesting when I was moving about through the coaches, and I found this coach number 7. There are these young guys. They are dancing Zuchu's song 3G. I can't broadcast it here because of the copyright issues, but they are guys from DSTV, and they are playing an episode called Jua Kali. Yeah, I came to learn later. Acting or they work with the other programs of Bongo Movie and the other things about Maisha in DSTV. If you are in Tanzania, you should have known at least one of them, but I don't care. They are friends that I met in the baggage in the coaches, and then they are celebrating their coming to Morogoro. So I was glad to meet this group of people. I shared with them some happiness time, some moment of great occasions together with them inside the locomotive. Yeah, so very interesting. So I'll pass them to see through the other coaches to see what other things they are continuing. So continue to watch. I'll take you to see some important things that maybe they will not help you, but it's good for you to know.
Kwenye sijala Tanzania mambo ya vinoga ashikaji wengi.
Yes guys, so don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and you can also criticize about our SGR in Tanzania. You can compare it with the other somewhere else, and you tell us what you see is good in SGR Tanzania. You can compare even with the other countries. I don't want to provoke Kenyans, but in my personal view, I think Tanzanian SGR is beyond comparison because it uses electric, and also it goes at speed. I've told you 160 km/h, and today it has reached there. Unfortunately, I did not cover the speed checkup. But about time span, no doubt, we used 1 hour and 40 minutes from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro, of which if we are traveling by bus or any other means of transport, it would have cost us about 3 hours minimum, without counting transit on journey. So we traveled 160 km/h to reach in Morogoro at that time. So this is the place to put luggages, but I came to understand that also there's inside business of the inside the train, whereby the train hostess, they used to sell their drinks like Coca-Cola, their beers and other things.
Mahali ni pazuri, ndugu wanapokaa wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. Mahali ni pazuri, ndugu wanapokaa wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. Ni kama umande mzuri unyweshavyo shamba, hivyo na Mungu wetu anavyobariki ndugu. Ni kama umande mzuri unyweshavyo shamba, hivyo na Mungu wetu mwema anavyobariki ndugu. Siku yako, siku yangu, Bwana amefanya, naifurahia kwa utukufu wa Mungu. Ni siku yako, ni siku yangu, Bwana amefanya.
ya kupiga gym. Yeah. Yeah. Mambo vipi?
Mahali ni pazuri wanapoya wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. Mahali ni pazuri wanapokaa wakipatana vyema na wakipendana. Ni kama umande mzuri unyweshavyo shamba, hivyo na Mungu wetu anavyobariki